Short intro. When most people think about survival rifles, they imagine expensive setups, premium brands, and high-end tactical equipment. But the truth is, some of the most practical survival rifles today are sitting right around the $300 price range. These rifles may not have the luxury features of expensive models, but they offer reliability, simplicity, and performance that make them worth serious attention. In this video, we are counting down 5 affordable survival rifles that many people are ignoring right now, but they absolutely deserve a closer look. Number 5. Ruger October 22nd, the small rifle with a massive reputation. The Ruger 1022 has been around for decades, and yet many people still overlook it when talking about survival rifles. Some survival enthusiasts focus only on larger calibers, but the reality is that a lightweight, reliable, and affordable rifle can be one of the smartest choices in a difficult situation. The Ruger 1022 is famous for its dependability, easy maintenance, and extremely simple operation. Chambered in .22 LR, it offers low recoil, affordable ammunition, and the ability to carry a large amount of rounds without adding too much weight. In a survival scenario, those advantages matter more than many people realize. A rifle that you can comfortably carry, shoot accurately, and practice with regularly can be far more useful than a powerful rifle that stays locked away because ammunition is expensive. The October 22nd platform also has a huge aftermarket, meaning owners can customize it with different stocks, sights, and accessories to fit their needs. For hunting small game, training, or general outdoor use, this rifle continues to prove why it remains one of the most trusted options in the affordable category. While it may not look intimidating, the Ruger 1022 represents something important in survival planning: simplicity. A dependable tool that works every time is often more valuable than something complicated and expensive. This is why the Ruger 1022 earns its place as one of the most overlooked survival rifles near the $300 range. Number 4. Mossberg Patriot Youth Rifle. Compact, practical, and affordable. Many people ignore compact rifles because they assume smaller designs cannot handle serious survival tasks. However, the Mossberg Patriot Youth Rifle challenges that idea by offering a lightweight platform that can be extremely practical outdoors. Designed with a shorter stock and compact dimensions, this rifle is easier to carry through forests, mountains, and long outdoor journeys. Its smaller size makes it attractive for anyone who values mobility and comfort. A survival rifle does not need to be the biggest or heaviest option available. In many cases, a rifle that you can move with easily and control comfortably is the better choice. The Mossberg Patriot series is known for offering good performance at an affordable price, and the youth model brings those benefits into a more compact package. Depending on configuration, it can provide enough capability for hunting and general outdoor purposes while remaining easy to transport. The rifle's practical design makes it a strong choice for beginners and experienced users who want a lightweight backup option. Many people overlook these compact rifles because they do not have the aggressive appearance of tactical models. But survival is not about appearance. It is about having equipment that performs when needed. The Mossberg Patriot Youth Rifle represents an affordable option that focuses on the basics: reliability, portability, and usability. For someone searching for a budget-friendly survival rifle, this is a model that deserves more attention. Number 3. Savage Axis, the budget bolt action that performs above its price. The Savage Axis is one of those rifles that does not always get the attention it deserves. Built as an affordable hunting rifle, it has become popular among people looking for a practical and dependable firearm without spending a fortune. Bolt-action rifles have always been respected for their simplicity and reliability, and the Savage Axis follows that tradition. With several caliber options available, it provides flexibility for different needs, from hunting to outdoor use. One of the biggest advantages of the Savage Axis is that it gives users solid performance without unnecessary complexity. A survival rifle should be easy to understand, easy to maintain, and dependable over time. The Axis delivers those qualities while staying within a budget-friendly price range. Its lightweight design also makes it easier to carry during long trips, where every pound matters. Many expensive rifles offer extra features, but the Savage Axis focuses on the essentials that actually matter in the field. Good accuracy, straightforward operation, and affordable ownership make it a strong contender. For people building a survival setup on a limited budget, this rifle proves that you do not always need to spend thousands to get a capable tool. The Savage Axis might not have the attention of premium rifles, but its value and practicality make it one of the most underrated choices available. Number 2. Marlin Model 60, the classic survival companion. The Marlin Model 60 is a legendary .22 rifle that has been trusted by generations of shooters. Despite being affordable and simple, it continues to hold a special place among people who appreciate practical firearms. Its lightweight design, low operating cost, and easy handling make it an excellent option for survival situations where carrying equipment efficiently matters. The .22 LR cartridge allows users to carry plenty of ammunition without taking up much space, which is a major advantage in outdoor environments. The Marlin Model 60 is especially appealing because it represents the idea that a survival rifle does not need to be complicated. It is a straightforward tool designed to do a specific job well. For small game hunting, training, and general field use, this rifle has proven itself over many years. Many people chase modern designs and forget about classic platforms that have already demonstrated their reliability. The Model 60 reminds us that proven technology often remains valuable. Its affordability also makes it accessible for people who want to build a practical setup without spending a huge amount of money. Whether used as a first rifle, a backup option, or part of an outdoor kit, the Marlin Model 60 continues to show why simple designs can still be extremely effective. Number 1. The rifle everyone should reconsider, the true budget survival choice. At the top of this list is the idea that the best survival rifle is not always the most expensive one. The rifles around the $300 range prove that preparation is not about buying the most advanced equipment. It is about choosing something reliable, learning how to use it, and maintaining it properly. A good survival rifle should be comfortable to carry, affordable enough to practice with, and dependable when conditions become difficult. Many people ignore budget rifles because they believe higher price automatically means better performance, but real-world usefulness often comes down to simplicity and familiarity. A rifle that you understand completely can be more valuable than a premium model you rarely use. The biggest advantage of affordable survival rifles is accessibility. They allow more people to train, practice, and become comfortable with their equipment. Whether it is a lightweight .22 platform or a practical bolt-action rifle, these options provide real value without requiring a massive investment. The survival world is filled with expensive gear, but these overlooked rifles remind us that smart choices often come from focusing on what actually matters. Reliability, skill, and preparation will always be more important than price tags. These $300 survival rifles may not get the attention of high-end models, but they continue to prove that affordable equipment can still be a powerful part of a practical survival plan.